James and Max here. This is the end of the year special. Look at Max with that Santa hat, and I was like, I need a hat too, and I couldn't. Like, he took the Santa hat. You know what? Maybe they wear a French beret in France for Christmas or whatever you celebrate. It doesn't matter. The bottom line is 2025 was and is a crazy year. Are you gonna crush the end of 2025? Are you gonna crush 2026? Well, we found a way. You've probably seen or bought some of our products, but guess what? Now you can get all of our products for the price of one for this end of year special. This is absolutely insane. We're talking tips, tricks, hacks, things that are making us crazy money. You won't believe what's inside of all these different products. These are easy to consume and easy to implement, and these have made us a bunch of money. Now it's time for you to make a bunch of money to get those Christmas presents. Now it's time to make a bunch of money so you can celebrate New Year's like crazy. And now's the time to make a bunch of money to make 2026 crazy strong. Max, I know you're excited. People are going to think are crazy. They're like, look at this hat this guy's wearing. He must be crazy selling all these products for this one-time price. This is the season of giving, and you want to crush the end of the year. You want to crush 2026. You want to pick it up below. Max?
Yeah, so this is definitely a no-brainer because all of the products that we launched in 2025 can be yours right now if you just click on the button down below. And we're talking about hundreds of dollars worth of value. Like this is you literally still selling for hundreds of dollars. If you go in and you buy them separately, that's what it will cost you. But now, as James already said, it's going to be available to you for the price of just one of them. So all of the products, like basically one for 12 or 14 or 15, I don't know, like there are so many in this bundle here. So if you want to see every single product, they're all listed down below this video. And yeah, so this is all evergreen stuff that we're using on a daily basis. Tactics, loopholes, traffic strategies, ways to make money online. And this is working super well right now. It is gonna work super well next year, so just go ahead, $17, the price of one. Click the button down below now, and then yeah, I wish you a nice end of the year.